Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be looking at these. This is the Srhythm wireless active noise cancelling headphones. So let's get them out of the box and let's have a look. Okay, so opening the box, inside we get a black carry case. So inside the black carry case we get some paperwork, which is the user manual, which is in various languages. We get a gift card. Collect a complete set of Srhythm letter cards for free exchange of headphones. So these are the NC25s. They're wireless active noise cancelling headphones over a compact design, super lightweight, longer playtime, premium level, hi-fi, wireless Bluetooth 5. There's an auxiliary cord backup and reduced 90% low frequency environment noise. That's what it says on the satisfaction guarantee. All looking very promising. So in the other side down here we've got a little bag, and in here is right, so we've got an aeroplane adapter, you've got a gold plated auxiliary connector, and there's a micro USB charging cable. So the only thing left in there now is the headphones themselves, and they're protected by these plastic bags. Okay, so these retail in the UK for about £55 and about $60 in the US of A. Now, first impressions, they are really nice quality. The plastic they've used certainly doesn't feel cheap. It's almost got a suede feel effect to it. It's really soft rubber, and then across the top is what I'm guessing is a faux leather padded headband. All good so far. Now the adjustment straps, oh wow, they look really nice. Made of metal with a plastic bit around. I tell you what, the quality on these is really good. On the side there you've got the Srhythm name printed on. It's not embossed or anything, it's just simply printed nicely on there, and then they're marked up left and right. The ear cups themselves are nicely padded. It's got a nice feel to it. Nice little silver motif around it. But looking at the right ear cup, there's 4 buttons on there. There's left and right arrows, then there's a multifunction button and the noise cancelling through the ANC button there. There's also a red and blue flashing LED on there, which I'm pretty sure means that it's ready to pair. So I'll get my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus and go into Bluetooth, and available devices NC25. It made a noise and it's paired. Excellent. So let's put them on. Oh, now even without the noise cancelling on, a lot of the background noise has actually disappeared. So let's play some music through it. Now, for all the music that you hear on the channel, I use Epidemic Sound, which I'll leave a link to in the description below. So let's have a little listen. Ooh. Ooh.
When the seasons
Wow, that is, oh, noise cancelling off. Wow, that is just incredible. The sound clarity is really nice. It's got a nice warmth sound. There's no tinniness at all. The highs are just right. These are some of the best headphones I've ever used. The levels were just brilliant. That's amazing. That's blown me away. The bass was really punchy. I like a nice deep sort of doo 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 on the bass. These are immense headphones. I can't really say much more about that. They are incredible sound. Sorry, these have really thrown me. These are excellent headphones. £55 for them. Bargain. So looking back at the headphones, they are pretty light. They're really comfortable. I've got to say that, really comfortable. I don't like big clunky headphones, but these are really nice and comfortable. Now they've got a 360 milliamp hour battery in there, which is going to give you about 16 hours playtime from a 1 to 2 hour charging period. I don't know anyone that will go and wear these for more than 16 hours without charging them, so it's nice to know you can just pick them up, put them on and start listening. And of course you've got the headphone adapter if the batteries are getting a little bit low, so you can make them last a bit longer by using that. So overall, what do I think? Well, these are really comfortable, they're lightweight, the sound is amazing, got a long battery life. I can't see a reason why I wouldn't recommend them, so therefore these come highly recommended. So I'll leave links to the Srythm NC25s in the description below. Don't forget to give this video a like if you liked it. Got loads more videos coming very soon, and the best way not to miss any of those is to subscribe below. Doesn't cost a thing, and if you click the bell notification icon, then you will be able to see every time I upload a new video. And why not watch one of our other videos on the screen on the left right now for your further viewing pleasure. So thanks for watching, and I will see you later.